All right, YouTube. So if you guys didn't know, the truck broke down about a couple weeks ago. Got a new car and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and assess the damage and kind of show it to you guys today and see what's up with the truck. The something's definitely screwy and it's probably gonna make a lot of weird noises, and it's also gonna be a crazy 2-week cold start. So yeah, let's go do that now. And this is for your guys' entertainment. Go ahead and get the key. So here she sits. Maybe it'll start. It's kind of dirty in here. Just been throwing stuff in here. All right, so yeah, let me just go ahead and try to start it. Let it prime. And let's see if it makes a lot of noise. Oh yeah. Get under here and look, see if I can see anything. I have absolutely no idea. Just gonna ride around the apartment complex. Put it in neutral. And I also wanted to move it from this spot because it's not blocking everybody, but kind of in the way. Uh-oh. We got to roll back a little bit farther than that. All right, here's drive. Yeah, this is totally fucked up. Okay, it shifted. Or maybe it didn't, I don't know. Don't really know how. What scares me is I'm not gonna have drive anymore. It's just like something's gonna pop and break and then drive will be gone. And then I'm gonna have this shit in the way, and then I'm gonna have to call a tow truck to move it 20 foot from where it's at. It really sucks because I love this truck. This truck was just, it treated me so good. Yeah, so I don't know. Like, all we have is second gear. That's what it sounds like and what it feels like. Let's try to drop it in the third. Second. I think all we have is second, really. I think that's the gear it's in. I really can't tell. Maybe you guys can. Put it in third. Yeah, it sounds like all it's in is first. Oh shit, just put it in reverse by an accident. What sucks is you see 26.4 miles on it. That was the tank of gas I just filled it up in. Like, I reset it every time I fill it up. And like, it's weird because all the bad luck I've ever had with cars, it always happens right after I fill the shit up. Every single time. I spend like $40 on gas and then this shit breaks. Every single time. So maybe I should just stop filling my cars up. Uh-oh, peep the new car. Okay, so weird enough, all that noise just went away. That is weird. So when I put it in reverse, it come back. That's park. You guys know what's going on here? What do you guys think? You know, what could be wrong with this transmission? Is it rebuildable? Or, you know, from you guys' experience, I'm kind of just not only asking for my subscribers' experience, but anybody seeing this video, what do you guys think's wrong with this thing? Or is it going to be an easy fix? Could I salvage the transmission that's in it, or am I going to have to go ahead and get a new one? Or, you know, what do you guys think? I love the truck, man. I'm not getting rid of it. That's another thing. That's kind of the purpose of this video, is to kind of troubleshoot and update, you know, the channel of what's going on with the truck. And I do not have plans of ever selling this truck ever. It's kind of like all my other cars. I mean, shit, if it sits, I'd rather it sit and just, you know, look pretty than, you know, me sell it and have somebody else just screw it up or send it to a junkyard or do something, just destroy it. Or I would rather spend time and money on this than get rid of it. Like I said, this thing's just treated me and my family so good. We drove this thing to New York, 3,000 something mile trip, back and forth to New York and to Georgia and back to Tennessee. I mean, worry free. I had to put a little bit of oil in it, that's it. And that's normal to me. I mean, this truck's just done me so good, I don't want to get rid of it, and I'm just kind of asking for help, guys. What do you guys think? What do you recommend? Yeah. So yeah, next steps for this truck, I definitely got to get it home and get it taken apart, take the transmission out, and go from there. So yeah, stay tuned. That's the update on the truck. Berta is her name. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. By the way, the new car is right over there. That probably will be coming out next week. I still got to make a really cool ass video about it. Yeah, so again, thanks for watching, guys.